Okay, so this is part 3 and I will actually speed this whole video up and I'll just show you where to actually put everything into place. Okay, so now you see that I'm using a 5H pencil just for light shadows. Not using, you know, a 2B or, 4B at the first instance, you have to put very light shadows at first. So you can see there that I actually took a 2B pencil now and putting darker shadows onto it, putting a little bit of outline, darker outline to it, so basically 2B is for you to make the shadows really thick and kind of bring out the depth into your actual drawing. 5H again, you can see there, just for lighter, very light shadows. you know it's not for dark spots, obviously, so because it's light. You see there again 2B using, and 4B will be the very last pencil that I'm gonna use, just really dark spots. Yeah, putting, just trying to fill in, try and fill in the whole, um, you know your whole drawing with the shadow, like all the outlines that you did, try to put shadow into within all of your outline. You can see there I'm using a little bit of a, I think it's 0.5 millimeter, 2B pencil, mechanical pencil. You can see there I'm using a 4B for really darker spots. Again, adding pieces onto it. Even though you see there I'm doing shadows, I'm still adding pieces, so don't be afraid to add more and more, as you go along, because it's even when you're finished, you might think that you might want to add more stuff to it. I don't know, it's just me. Sometimes I go back to my drawing and add stuff onto it. So, and you can see actually the 3D coming out nice and smooth. You see there the edges are getting dark. That's what you want to achieve, basically. Adding lights, adding light shadows, because it's never always, it's never white. It's never white. Even when it's completely light, it's never white. Don't ever do that. Because if you want, like, that glow effect, you take your rubber and you rub that, you know that spot where you want really, really bright. So, and again, 4B, really dark spots. Always refer to your light source. Always. If you go off, you will basically, just lose all your 3D into it. You have to remember. Now this is very important. You see the tool that I took. This tool is called Tartilian, or a kind of a smoother, it's kind of a smudge tool. It basically smooths out the rough pieces. Now this is graphite, and I'm taking cotton pad. Graphite is, I think it's 6B, not sure. So you basically, it's for background, okay? So my 3D is done. You're all done. You basically do you take and try to make your background now. Background is pretty important, because without background, your 3D drawing, it just kind of looks, you know, empty. So yeah, trying to make, you know, dark spot at the left hand corner, and you will see there I will smudge it out, try to make it nice and smooth, and I'll take my graphite again, because when you smudge it out, your dark spot is getting, you know, basically it's getting off, because it's getting smudged out. Or yeah, it's basically you're getting rid of it. So you have to take your graphite and do it again and again to make it really dark at the spot, you know. And just go around it, you know. You can see there again, I'm doing darker. I'll smudge it out again. And you do as many times as you need, you know, to achieve that, you know, the darkness that you need. And I think my video will be cut off at some point, because I run out of you know, memory on my memory card. You won't see how I will be using my rubber, but it's simple enough anyway. You will take a rubber, you will shape it to, you know, a very sharp point, and you know, just go around the edges of your 3D graffiti, because the, you know, rubber is the very last stage of your drawing, because that you will see there, I take my rubber and I, you know, basically, you know, add or removes, you know, blemishes or whatever I need to. You can see there I'm adding a little bit of lightning onto my, you know, drawing there, just, you know, to create that interesting effect there. And you can do, it's imagination, so use it, you know, it's creativity. Adding, you know, extra bits and pieces with my, you know, sharp 0.5 mechanical pencil. And in, you know, a few seconds you will see the overall image, how it's actually completed. So here we go, the very last piece of work that I've done, a masterpiece as you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate it, subscribe it, you know, tell your friends about it, and I hope you liked it. There will be more coming, I hope sooner a bit, you know, because I've been really busy with my college and all that. So that's basically it. Rubber, don't be afraid to use it, you know, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.